this legislation, which your honorable board has put before me, represents an argument that says you may, through the constitutional rights you were given, use your right for free speech. You have your right for free assembly. But you cannot use the tools of democracy to destroy democracy. You cannot use your free speech and your free assembly to intimidate other people, to physically threaten them, to not just threaten them, but to actually do bodily harm to them. We've seen examples of that in this society. I fear we may see more examples of it. So we're taking a stand today, collectively, that says that there are certain processes by which items are made legal and perhaps illegal. And in this particular case, when those items have been decided and adjudicated properly, or when they've been decided by a legislative body and executive body, that they have the power of law that we must respect. We can speak against it, we can assemble against it, but we cannot physically interdict against the law. And once we do that, we stop being a democracy. Once we do that, we stop being the special America that we always talk about. We're no different than those countries around the globe that let tyranny take the place of rationality. Now, we're a county government, not a state government, not a federal government. But this statement today is to say there's a proper place for speech, there's a proper place for assembly, and it has to be within those contexts. It cannot become physical intimidation or harm done to fellow Americans. So today, I signed this bill, which, and I'll just briefly read the final caption of this. Is local law for the year 2022, number 258. This legislation has been passed by the Board of Legislators, the County of Westchester, by 15 votes in favor, 2 votes against, on this day, the 27th day of the month of June of 2022. That has been certified by Sunday Vanderberg, who's the clerk of the County Board of Legislators. So on this day, the 27th day in the month of June, and I'm going to use different pens so that we have the symbolic acceptance of these pens in a second. In the month of June, I need one of those long names. It is the power vested in me as county executive, given to me by the people of Westchester, to sign this as Westchester County Executive, and thereby, they teach you this at county executive school. By my signature, George Latimer, this is now law in the County of Westchester. Yeah.